Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to view and copy Wi-Fi passwords on your iPhone. So there are going to be a lot of ways here. I'm going to teach you the fastest and easiest way actually. The first thing you're going to do right now is check on your settings. Because for this one to work properly, you just have to make sure that there is no software update on your end. Meaning go to General, looking for Software Update. In here you should see that it's checking for updates. And as you can see, I have a pending 18.6.1 update, meaning I have to update this one. However, the process I'm going to show right now is perfectly working for iOS 18. So I will set this aside for now, though I'm really suggesting finishing any updates on your end before proceeding. After that one, click on settings. Let's go to Wi-Fi. So as you can see, I have connected a Wi-Fi as of now. To check on this password, click on this I symbol. With that one, you're going to see password, the bullets, click on them like so, and it will ask for your Face ID or password. Let me just log in my password right there, and there's going to be the password right there. Moving forward, you can check on the other networks you have been connected to. For example, click on other, and check on the name you have, and basically do the same thing. This little I button is the key for your password. And that's going to be it. And by the way guys, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.